Welcome to SolidWorks video tutorials. Exercise number 3. Virtual prototyping of falling cylinder in definite path. First, pick new assembly. Now select insert components and browse for the component ramp. After fixing the component, insert the component, browse for it named cylinder. Now, rotate the cylinder using move with triad command. Give the specified angle in which is to be rotated as per the assembly. Now, select motion study, then select motion analysis, then select contact command and give the components to be in contact. Then specify the material of both the ramp and the cylinder as steel. Now, after selecting the required material, now specify the exact position of the cylinder over the ramp in which is to be fallen off. Check its position in all the planes. Once it is situated at its exact position, now select gravity, then specify y-axis as a plane of fall. Now select calculate. Once the calculation of the path traced by the cylinder over the ramp is complete for the specified key point time, finally select play. That's it. Our virtual prototyping of the cylinder following a defined path is done.